Okay, hi guys. Today it's Tarushi and Medani with me. We are going to talk about something of an interesting topic as we usually talk with our students about various subject areas. Today, the part one, we'll be discussing about how the pandemic has really helped some students in their studies, although most of the people say that education has been hampered by the pandemic or the COVID-19. Some students have really taken it as a blessing in disguise to uh, make themselves more capable than they were before the pandemic. So I got two such students with me today, namely Tarushi and Medani. We'll first start with Medani. Medani, how does it help you? Really, how did it really help you to improve your skill levels, English and as well as the other subjects? Can you just go through it?
Okay, sir. I think I'm sure this year will be remembered even after 100 years from now, because actually Corona pandemic changed our whole life, the way we live, the way we work, and the way we study. Actually, even the way we think. As I think uh, everyone think like this Corona pandemic actually has been very very trouble for the students. I think, but not it is. Oh, yeah. Actually it is very was very trouble for the as a student. But as I think, in the Corona pandemic, I could develop my studies well, because when we in our home, actually we could learn so many things through the devices like laptops and like mobile phones. Before this Corona pandemic, actually we went to the Candy for my school, and we were staying in a hostel. Because of that, actually we couldn't use any devices like phone or laptop. But in the Corona pandemic, Tarushi and me also like smartphones and laptops. Because of that, I could learn so many things. And the special thing as I think, I could speak in English in this Corona pandemic. Actually, I developed that. Before the Corona pandemic, actually, I couldn't speak in English. I could, but not much. But now I think I can actually speak with the foreign, and I can understand what they say, and I can reply them. I think because of the Corona pandemic, I improved my English knowledge, like speaking and also the other stuffs like my writing skills and my grammatically things like that. And also, actually, that was the main thing that I developed in the Corona pandemic. Actually, that was my main problem, that I couldn't speak in English before. Actually, every time it feel very bad when I say when I hear someone is speaking English. I also wanted to speak with them, but I couldn't. But now I can speak with them. Actually, now I like it when someone is speaking English. Actually, I definitely like to join with them, and I try to speak with them. Uh, in the Corona pandemic, actually I used to listen so many English videos, and watch so many English videos and English songs, like that conversations. And because of that, like a 3 or 4 hours, I am definitely spend my time with English. Because of that, I heard new words, and I used to speak in English with my family. Actually, my family members, like all my 4 members, stay with us in a home because of Corona pandemic. Because of that, I had a like a great time with them and speak with them in English. That was my English side. Not only English, I have developed my others as well. for when I talk about my studies, also I had so many classes. I used to join so many online classes. Some were free actually. Lots of tuitions. Teachers have organized so many online classes, free classes. Actually, I joined with them, and I like every subject I had a class. Like when we in school, like 8 subjects we have done, and also in a home these days, I have done like all the 8 subjects with the online classes, and I used to watch so many YouTube videos that about our subject like science, especially like science and maths. And I have watched so many YouTube videos that about the science and maths. They were also so good. I could get a big knowledge from them. Because actually when I am in school, I couldn't do like these things. I couldn't watch any videos like that. I only study my textbook and write the notes, only those things. But in corona period, I could actually I found a lots of ways to lots of ways to study and for the success. And I used to do them in daily. And I studied so many subjects, like, and I also used to study other languages as well. Like I used to study uh, like a Korean language. I like it very much. Because of that, I used to watch so many like the teachers have teaching us to like in Korean and the alphabet like that. I used to watch them, and uh, now I can a little bit to write in Korean. Actually, that was the one of the best thing I have done in this Corona pandemic. Actually, I like to study like 3 or 4 language. Uh, Actually, if I only go to school, I couldn't study this language. But in when I'm staying in the home, uh, I studied those languages as well. And also, I think that was a big corona pandemic gave us a big opportunity to study at home in well. But I think some students have addicted to the phones and games like that. Because of that, they have wasted their time. But I think I didn't do like that. Actually, I have spent my time in Wales, and I studied, and also I have done so many things. I used to actually before the corona pandemic, I couldn't draw something well. But now I have watched so many YouTube videos how to draw like those things. Now I can I don't know how I watched so many videos about that. And now I can draw some pictures well with the watercolors and like that. That was one of the best thing also I have done. And not only my studies things, I have done so many others as well in this corona pandemic. I think I didn't waste my time much. I have spent it well and with my family members. uh, in this corona pandemic, I used to so many good things for done. And also I could speak in English. Actually, that was the best thing that I have done in corona pandemic. Because of that, so you have organized so many English classes, spoken classes, even night, even morning. Because of that, I every time like 3 or 4 hours I spend with English. Because of that, I could speak in English.
One more
Okay, those
question.
are the things I
One
have
more
done.
question, Dua. Now you are like going to grade 10 next year, no, as you are in grade 9.
Yes,
Uh,
sir. Yes, sir.
so what do you think about the effort that you need to put to the subjects that are now, for example, English? I believe you already have achieved the level of A that there won't be any problems for you in English. So does it really help you to now to focus on other subjects which you feel that you are weak in during this period that has helped you to come to the level of A pass within a very short period of time. So does that really help you when you go to the O level exam within another 2 years time? Do you really think like that?
Yes, I think like that because uh, when we in school we only have to study the syllabus, but when we stay in home we could also the study other syllabus as well, like grade 10 and grade 11. I have now I have a small idea about grade 10 subjects and grade 11 subject as well. As I think also we have done so many English O level papers. Now I can get like more than 80 marks for the O level papers in English. As I think I can get good passes for the O level exam
Yeah,
as well.
don't be shy. Tell that you won 9 A passes. You were saying the 9 and went back to say, okay, good passes. Okay, anyway,
Yes.
we'll talk with Tarushi. Tarushi, tell us about what happened during that period for the last, let's say, 8 months or so you were at home. What happened during that time?
Actually, before talking about that, I'm should talk about the corona pandemic. Actually, corona pandemic was spread all around the world very quickly. So many people died by that coronavirus, and we had to stay in our home. So, as I think that was a great chance for us to improve our knowledge as well as English speaking skills, because Medani and me, both of us in hostel, when we in hostel we can't use any device for improve our English. So uh, in that period we had to stay in our home. So uh, we could do use devices and improve our speaking skills. I watched many videos. Also, I listen to many songs. I do many things to improve my speaking skills. So before that pandemic, I couldn't speak like that. I should think in Sinhala and translate it into English. But now it not necessary for me. They automatically come, and I can speak in English. So this period was very helpful for us. I think not for Medani and me, for others, our friends, uh, and not only for English, but also for others languages as well as I get a huge knowledge from watching videos, and the way they were many help to my studies. Uh, Actually, I learn about many extra things. Uh, uh, I practice to speak in Tamil as well as actually I hope to do Tamil for my OLS. So that period was very helpful for me. Uh, to English also for others languages. Uh, Sir did many classes for us, and they were also help for us. And because of Sir, now we speak in English, and we get the video calls and speak with our friends, and it was very help to our speaking. Uh, and like Medani, me to practice for draw. I couldn't I couldn't draw before like now. Actually, I can to look at something and draw it in a paper. But now, without looking for any picture or something, I can thinking in my mind and draw it. Draw it. Uh, I draw many actors in this period and share with my parents like that. I do many things. Also, uh, also for others, this was very help and this period was a big chance for us because the main reasons for it, we are in hostels, so we haven't time, as well as also we haven't any device to use. We should uh, come to we should go to hostel on Sunday and come again Friday. So on Saturday we have all the classes we have on Saturday. So time was very so this period was very helpful for us. Also, I learned many things to do. I practiced to do. I practiced drawing, and I practiced to speak in other languages, as well as I get a huge knowledge, extra knowledge by watching videos. So I think this period was very helpful for me.
Helpful for me.
Uh,
Okay. So, again, the same question, not only about English, but what I was talking about. What do you think about now? You said that you were watching so many videos and stuff. What were the channels that you were following for the last like 6 months or 8 months, especially in YouTube? What were the main channels that you were following?
I don't remember all. I watched many channels. I remember some names of them. Actually, I I watched Dr. Binock's channel, as well as Brightside channel. I watched many, but I don't remember all of them.
Do you watch like infographics, Trust Gazat, and those types of channels also?
Yeah, I watched.
Okay. So what do you think about the knowledge that you gain from these things in addition to learning English? What are the things that you have learned so far?
Actually, not only as I say, not only speaking English, it I get many knowledge from it, and I there are many things in the world now. So I watch many subjects. I get a huge knowledge from many subjects like science. I watch many videos from science, uh, like that about Earth and about humans, as well about other countries. Like that, I get a huge knowledge.
So in addition to now, you are like you, although you have like small mistakes here and there that you need to correct while you like speak in future. But for me, you are almost perfect. There are small grammar issues, but in addition to improving those things, what are the other things? What are the other aspects that you are trying to improve within the next couple of years in English, actually?
Uh, I think to improve my grammar, as well as and speaking English. Actually, although I speak in English, I can understand. I can't speak properly.
Hmm.
So, like foreigner, I want to speak like a foreigner. So
You want to like
I
imitate
follow.
the accent? Do you want to imitate the accent of a foreigner, like the way, like let's say, the person like Kumar Sangakkara or someone? The
Yeah,
way, yeah. Okay.
yeah. I follow many peoples of Sri Lanka to improve my speaking skills,
Mhm.
as well as grammar.
Mhm. So make sure you are doing perfectly well. Uh, on a future note, what are the things like let's ask Medani. Now you have another like 4 years of school education remaining. So what are the things that you are expecting to improve during the next, let's say, 4 years time, what are the things that you want to improve, Medani, for the next 4 years as a student?
Yes, sir. As a student, still I have so many things to improve in my life. As a student, the I want to actually, as Sarchi said, we want to make our accent like a foreigner. Actually, that I really want to make my accent like a foreigner. When I am speaking with a foreigner, I want to similar to that person. These days, I am following so many good speakers, English speakers, to make my accent correct. That was one of thing that I want to do. And also, still I have to face my O level exam and A level exam. I think now I can get for O level exam, I am sure I can get a passes for some subjects, but still I have some fear about the subjects. Because of that, I really want to study them hard, and because of that, I want to still do so many studies things for hard in for my O level exam. And also I like to do my A level exam in science. Because of that, I want to get so many knowledge about science. Actually, science is not limited subject. There are so many things to know about science. Actually, the everything around us is actually based on the science. Because of that, that was as my some elder sisters and brothers said, science was one of the difficult subject. Because of that, I want to know so many things about that. And I think I want to do best for my O level and A level exam. Because of that, I should study my all subjects well. And I want to make my English speaking skills more better than this. And those are the some of things that I want to do in future. And also, I want to I want to now I am do hockey as a sport. Actually, because of the corona pandemic, we couldn't participate for the some many tournaments. Actually, in my school, in our school time, uh, actually sport is the one of best thing for the student. And I really hope to do join to tournaments as well. And I want to in our school we can get like color badges for the sports. And I really want to get color badges for that sports. For that, I really want to practice well. Actually, now I forgot something about the hockey. Because of that, I again started to practice in my home, and also do something like some stretchings in the morning, and some exercises. And I really want to get a color badge for my hockey subject before I leave from my school. And also in school, I hope to join I hope to join like we have we our in our school, like we have a photographer club. I really like to join with them. Small to that club. Like we when I'm in grade 11, I can join with them. In school time, these are the things that I want to do, as well as my studies.
Very good. You have like clear-cut understanding of the things that you need to do. Okay, Tarushi, are there anything that
Yes.
anything else? Is there anything else that you want to do during the next 3 to 4 years, in addition to doing O levels and A levels? What are the things that you need to really improve in your life?
As I said, the first thing, I need to improve my spoken skills. And other thing, like Medan said, we had to face to O-level and A-level exams. Uh, and I have choose some difficult subject for my O levels. So for them, I should work hard. As well as like Medani, me too hope to do science for my A levels. As everyone say, science is very difficult subject. Um, also, but I like it so much. Not for science. My favorite subject is maths. But I hope to do science for my A levels. And I hope to do many things for my maths. I didn't give up it. Uh, uh, Actually, as Medani said, me to do hockey in our schools. I am the goalie of my team. So I had to do a great duty for my team. Uh, and actually, I went to school in last week. When I go to practice, I feel I'm very bad now. Before more than before because we hadn't any practice to in that period. So I hope to improve that as well as. And our coach said that in January we have tournaments. So I hope to practice well at. um, then I like to uh, write books. There is a society of our school. So I hope to write some books for books in year. And that those are the some things I hope to do.
Okay, very nice. It's been a great pleasure talking to you guys. I can see there's a huge improvement I remember when you first came like 2, 3 years back as grade 6 students to my class. You were so terrible in speaking English. Even when you were in grade 9 for the first part of the grade 9, you couldn't really speak much. But what I wanted to show is to the world is that you have come to the great height. So in future, I hope you guys could reach the level that you are expecting. I think, and I wish you all the best for your future. And make sure you don't give up on your dreams in the middle, because most of the time students in Sri Lanka, they just think of achieving a dream of entering a university, and then from there onwards they just feel that they have achieved what they want to achieve, and that's where the problem lies in Sri Lanka. No? So what do you think about in future? Do you just want to be just professionals, or do you want to do something else for the society? Medan, anything else that you want to do for the society?
Mm, yes, sir. Like, but I think I want to be a doctor one day, and also I'm thinking about it. But I really want to do something for our society, because now our society is like because of the various people in our society, they think like that was the our society is like a very different than others. They are think like very old, but I should want to make a different to them, to my society. And I want to add some new things for the society. Like in there are so many things for the success in other countries, but they are not in our countries. We only focus on our studies, and we want to go to the universities and get job and work for them, only those things. In our society, our people think about themselves, but I feel like actually that is not good. If we want to be a like a developed country in future, still we are developing. But as I think, if we want to be a developing country one day, we should change our thinking way. We should add some new things for our society. there are no much things in our society be a successful rather than be a, like a doctor, engineer, teachers, like these are the only things. But they are not only limited. People have so many talents for be a successful one day. And I think I definitely want to add some new things for our society, and add some new things to be a successful in one day. I really hope to do some good things for my society in one day.
Sarshi, same question from you as well. In addition to your studies, what are the things you want to do in future?
Actually, me too hope to be a doctor one day. I hate that word. That Sri Lanka is a developing country. Is still developing. I hate that very. I hate that. Actually, I want to change that. I not only be a doctor professionally. I want to be a doctor, but as well as I want to. I like to do some business and be a business open one day. By that, I hope to. I hope to earn dollars for my country. Actually, we earn dollars in our country now. Every day when I hear news, I heard that word every day. I hate that. Actually, I want to change that. And there are many talented people in our society, but they are not doing that. Our society is being a very bad. Actually, there are many crimes in our society now more than before. Uh, Actually, main thing I want to change.
Sarshi, you are muted. I think.
That's I
Okay, now.
hope to do some change for my society. Uh, as I said, I hate that word. Sri Lanka is developing country. I want to change that. I want to hear that Sri Lanka is developed country. So I work hard for it, and I hope to do it one day.
I think you have some kind of a signal issue, but okay, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for joining and sharing your views on various subject areas and how really pandemic helped you to develop your life. Thank you so much for joining the class, and thank you for your ideas as well.